Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions without the headache. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights in the steam mop arena: the Gorfinti 10-in-1 multi-purpose handheld steam cleaner and the Gorfinti 10-in-1 floor steamer detachable multi-purpose handheld steam cleaner. Yes, they're both Gorfinti, but trust me, they're anything but the same. First up, let's talk about price. The multi-purpose steam cleaner comes in at $139, while the floor steamer is like that friend who always finds discount coupons. Just $119. Reviewers have noted that the floor steamer offers great value for money, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. Meanwhile, the multi-purpose is praised for its versatility, justifying its higher price for some users. So if your wallet's feeling a bit light, the floor steamer could be your best buddy. Now let's dive into functions. Both of these bad boys are 10-in-1, which means they can do everything from cleaning your floors to tackling tough stains. Reviewers of the multi-purpose highlight its effective cleaning and ease of use, while the floor steamer is celebrated for its versatility and quality construction. Both models come with a detachable handheld feature, making them ideal for reaching those hard-to-clean areas. It's a tie. Next up, temperature. The multi-purpose heats up to a cozy high temperature, perfect for those stubborn stains. But the floor steamer cranks it up to a blazing 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers have noted that the higher temperature of the floor steamer makes it more effective at eliminating tough grime, while the multi-purpose still holds its own with effective heat management. If you want to bring the heat, the floor steamer wins this round. Let's talk steam control. Both offer 3 adjustable steam modes. Reviewers love this feature as it allows for tailored cleaning experiences. The multi-purpose is praised for its consistent steam output, while the floor steamer is noted for its effectiveness in various cleaning scenarios. Just remember, if you're using Steam Mode 3, you might want to keep the kids and pets away. Now onto cord length. Both feature a generous 23 feet ultra-long power cord, allowing you to clean without constantly switching outlets. Reviewers appreciate this feature in both models, as it provides great mobility while cleaning. You'll be cleaning while dodging furniture like a ninja. Finally, let's talk about weight and mobility. Both models are lightweight and designed for easy maneuverability. Reviewers have mentioned that both steamers are easy to use and effective for cleaning tough grime. However, some noted that the handheld feature of the floor steamer can be challenging when held upside down. If you're cleaning with these, you might want to work on your upper body strength. Overall, both Gorfinti steam mops have received positive feedback, with users praising their effectiveness and ease of use. The multi-purpose model is noted for its versatility and power, while the floor steamer is celebrated for its affordability and high temperature. Both products have their strengths, making them great options depending on your needs. So which Gorfinti steam mop is the winner? If you're budget conscious, the floor steamer is your best bet. But if you want a few extra degrees of heat and don't mind splurging a little, the multi-purpose might be for you. Either way, you'll be winning against dirt and grime. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more product comparisons, and drop a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description.